Hi folks, and welcome back. Okay, this one's got nothing to do with my usual channel stuff and rat bikes. I've got a mutated potato plant I want to show you. I've decided to share because this is so bizarre and I've never seen anything like it. There are seed potatoes growing on the stalks. Yes, this isn't normal, folks. Potatoes are supposed to grow underground. They're supposed to be in the dark, not in the daylight, and not on stalks. Yes, this is unheard of here. I'm in Scotland and this is a British potato plant. How has this happened? I don't know. There's another one down there. One behind there. This is mental. Look. Okay, so here's the situation. I have a small veg patch every year. Lettuce, carrots and potatoes, etc. It's mid-October and these are my potatoes from last year's crop. They're normal, but this one is a monster. Yep, it's all one plant. Wow, that is about 6 foot long. Crazy. Yep, it flowered and it's got fruit. But these are definitely something new. It will be really interesting to see what's underneath when it's time to dig it up. Is this a new variety, a freak, or evolution? Like I said, it's not normal. This is not supposed to happen. It might be the first of its kind. Get that one out. Oh, there's one that's fallen off. It's mental. Look, they just seem to pull off. It's easy as that. Crazy. All grown in daylight. It's crazy. Thanks for watching.